Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to log out Gmail account from all devices on Android. So first of all, you have to open your browser and type here myaccount.google.com, and once you're here, make sure to log in into your Gmail account. And now swipe to the right side and click on security. Scroll down and here you will find your devices section, so you have to tap on manage all devices, and now you have to tap on the device you want to remove and tap on sign out. And that's how you can log out Gmail account from all devices. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.